In today's video, I will walk you through how to create Dreamy Haze photo effects in Adobe Photoshop. To get started, press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to duplicate your image layer. Next, go to the Filter menu, choose Blur, and then select Lens Blur. Once the Lens Blur window opens, leave all the settings exactly as they are. The only setting you need to adjust is the radius. Increase the radius to around 80% to create the soft, dreamy blur effect. After that, apply the effect and return to your Layers panel. Now change the blending mode of the blurred layer to screen. Once you change the blending mode, lower the opacity of the layer until the effect looks softer and more balanced with the original image. Next, add a solid color adjustment layer. Set the color to white, then confirm the selection. After adding the white color layer, change its blending mode to screen as well. Then lower the opacity of this layer to about 10% to create a subtle haze effect over the image. Now we are going to add a little contrast to balance the softness. Go ahead and add a curves adjustment layer. Follow the same process shown to adjust the curve and add contrast back into the image, while keeping the dreamy look. Make small adjustments until the image has a soft haze effect with a balanced amount of brightness and contrast. Once you finish adjusting the curve, the dreamy haze photo effect is complete. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel for more Photoshop tutorials and also check out the other videos on the channel. Thanks for watching and thanks for the support, guys.